Hi, this is Donna. I want to go over character sets today so you can understand the concepts. It's something that might trip you up a little bit, just so you're aware and you know where to go for the information. So the two that we're going to go over are the ASCII and the UNICODE. And we're on this site w3schools.com, which I really like. They have a lot of really good information. They say HTML character sets, but it's more general than that. They just have a good write-up on it. So HTML, well, not HTML, but the character sets are how your computer is going to store data, and then also what it's going to be able to display. So ASCII is a general one for the US. If we go to this reference, you can see a chart of what number values equal what character. And there's also control characters which are hidden, but just so you're aware that this exists. The other one is Unicode, and we'll see this on the W3 Schools site. So there's a consortium who comes up with this, and let's see, do they have it in here? Here they are. So here's a chart of the Unicode character set. So 0 through 127, that's usually mapped to the ASCII, so that's basic Latin character sets. Then there's other ones, you can see all the different ones that are allowed. So the two sites to go to that are the standards bodies for this are the IANA, which has an RFC, which is a request for comments, that defines the whole ASCII set. And like it says here, it's most commonly used in the internet and the protocols, which is how the computer's talking back and forth to each other. And then for Unicode, there's a consortium, unicode.org, and it talks about the whole idea of Unicode. So two examples I have of character sets messing people up is they're both in Excel. One of them, the person copied and pastes some data, and they're trying to compare two cells, and they looked visually like they should match, and they weren't matching, and it was because he had some Unicode characters in there and wasn't able to display them. The other one was a company that had offices in Korea and South America. They were not able to share the spreadsheets because the South American people could not see the Korean characters. So just be aware that if something doesn't seem quite right, but it looks okay, it's probably a character set problem, and you should know where to go to find the information. Another thing for programmers is Microsoft has a write-up on character sets. It's interesting because it's going to be how you store or transmit your data and your file format. So how the actual data is represented in the computer, and then how you're going to be able to process it, because you have to know whether it's Unicode or ASCII. So that's just a quick overview of character sets for you. Talk to you later.